everybody. Innovative Noble, Namaskar. It's me Bina Aryal, the basic level teacher of Noble Environment Academy. You all welcome to our online YouTube channel. Please like, comment, more and more share, subscribe, and at last please press bell icon. Okay, today I am here to teach you English subject class 2 unit lesson going to school, and topic is first day at school. Okay student, you are ready and look at your book also. First one is warming up. Read and enjoy all of you. Goodbye vacation, hello to school. Goodbye vacation, hello to school. Hello new class, goodbye to Paul. Hello new class, goodbye to Paul. Vacation time is over. Vacation time is over. School time is here. Student, vacation is over and these students are excited to come to school and they share their view. Goodbye vacation, they goodbye their vacation. They come to school and they are excited to enjoy their new class, and they say goodbye to Paul also. Vacation time is over. Their vacation time is over and their school time is come here. Another one. Now we welcome a new school year. A new school year. That means these students say we welcome a new school year. They are excited to come to school and they give their some view for school. First page is here. You read one, and second page there is some school material name. You can see here. And B, exercise is here. Today is Anuva's first day at school. He saw many things. Can you match the things he saw with their name? All know this material name. Yes or no, student? Look carefully and match this picture with their name. First, scissor. Look at the picture. First one. Which one is here? Scissor. Here or here? You know that scissor is this one. Scissor you can match here. Then clock. You all know which one is clock here. Here are clock or here. All know that clock is this one. You can match clock this one picture. Third, glove. Glove. Which one is there? This one is glove. This. Which one is glove? Yes. All you know that glove is this one. You can match glove means this one picture. Stapler. You can use stapler. Yes or no? You know that how to use stapler. We use stapler to punch our book. This one is stapler. This one. Which one is stapler? Yes, this one is stapler. You can match. Stapler is this one. You can match this picture. Pen. Which one is pen? This one is pen. This one or this one? Yes, this one is pen. You know that this one is pen. You can match pen. This one picture. Again, crayon. Which one is crayon? This one? This one? Which one? What is crayon? Yes, here is crayon. Pencil. All are use pencil daily. Yes or no? Which one is pencil? This one or this one? Okay, you know that pencil is this one. You can match this pencil here. Ersal. Ersal. Which one is ersal? This one? This one? Or this? Yes, all know that. Ersal means this one. Ruler. This is our daily material which is used our school hour. Ruler we can use daily in math subject also. Ruler means this one. You cannot confuse. Ruler means this one. Paper. All know paper is which one? This. Yes, paper is this one. You can match paper is this picture. Okay, dear student, look at page number 3. Here is short poem. I am going to read. My first day at school today, funny sort of day. This is students express their view. My first day at school today, funny sort of day, didn't seem to learn much. Seemed all we did was play. Students, these are experience of these two students. They say didn't seem to learn much. At school they cannot seem to learn much. They seem we all are play. Then teacher wrote some letters on a board all painted black. They saw on board. Teacher wrote some letter and on a board all painted black. And then we had a story and I don't think I'll go back. This is experience of first day at school of student. They share their parents their view towards this poem. And turn page number 4. Playing with words. Playing with words. There is words and there is picture. One side is word and another side is picture. Look at the picture, match the words with them. Things we do at school. You know that this which we can do at school. Read, write, draw, color, play, dance. You all know that you can also use these things at school. That's why you can easily do it. Okay, read. Which one is read? You can match there. Read. Write. This one. Draw. This one. You can match easily. Please look at carefully. Color. This one. Play. There. And dance is last one. And another also. Match the objects with their name. These are the things we use at school. Which one is used at school? You can find easily. Whiteboard, easel, paintbrush, bookshelf, stapler, ink. You can match whiteboard. This one is whiteboard. Easel, you can match there. Paintbrush, top one. You can match paintbrush, this one. Bookshelf, last one. You can match this one. Stapler, you know that, this one. You can match there. And ink is here. You can easily match this one. B number This is some confuses. That's why I can. Okay. Homework for you. Page number 4 and 5. Page number 4 and 5. This one. Page number 4 and page number 5. Match the following. You can write in book. You can write in book this one. Page number 4 and page number 5. This one you can write in book and this one is here. This is here. You can write this one in copy. Copy and book both. Okay. B. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. Number A. We use a whiteboard to write some things. This is whiteboard. This is used for write some things. We use a whiteboard to write something. This is something. B. We use an easel to support a painting while work on. Easel is used for support a painting while work on. It is used for displaying or fixing some things. C. We use the brush to brush our teeth. We use the brush to brush our teeth. You can write here brush our teeth. D. We use a stapler to join the pages of paper. We use a stapler to join the pages of paper. We use the stapler to join the pages of paper. E. We use a bookshelf to store book and copy. We use a bookshelf to store book and copy. You know that you write this one book and copy neat and clean handwriting. Okay, our exercise is finished, students. You can write your homework properly and send our school messenger or Max Connect app. And at last, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.